Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you a very nice effect you can try in CapCut. So make sure you watch this video till the very end, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe as well. And now let's dive right into this video. So what you have to do first, let's import our video, and then I'll show you now this very cool effect that you can try. So what you have to do to achieve this effect is to go to a library, expand library here, and grab this white background and just drag it over onto the timeline and exactly above the video that you have. And now what you can do exactly when the video starts, you can simply here go to video and mask, and here select film strip, and then we have to position this here to shrink it down a little bit, and then we can create this very cool effect. And now click on this button to reverse, and now we have to add a keyframe right over here, and the cursor, it's here, it should be here. Actually this keyframe should be right at the beginning of the video. So yes, so let's remove this keyframe and move the cursor right at the beginning of the video, add this keyframe, move this right at the end of the video, and add this keyframe. Okay, now let's look the effect that we achieved. But also make sure here, I forgot to tell you to do this. So here, this cursor, you have to, when you select this, so let's zoom in, and you can drag this all the way down, and it should be added here automatically, a keyframe, sorry. So now this effect should work fine. As you can see, it works just fine. And this is the effect that I was talking about. So you'll move like this. This is a pretty cool effect you can try. And obviously now you can add maybe another one of this, but you can remove a keyframe. Okay, and you can maybe add one, but simply rotate this. Okay, maybe let's play with this here. You can rotate and add an effect from here maybe. Alright, now let's remove these keyframes. We move this right over here. Now add a keyframe here, and then we start from here to here. Now here we'll just move this, and the keyframe will be added here automatically. Now look what effect we achieved, and yeah, I think that's pretty cool, and it's pretty good effect to add to your video. When your video will start, you can add this effect, and maybe here you can change something to your video, like you can simply adjust your video a little bit. And another thing that you can do, I forgot to mention, you can also add a feather, you know, and you see here, like this is don't have any feather, because you can animate, you can keyframe feather as well, which is pretty cool. You see here you don't have any feather. You see here you don't have any feather, and then here you don't have, and then you play the video and you have feather, as you can see. So I hope this video guys helped you. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more tips and tricks for CapCut.